Hi, my name is Penn Shelton. I'm entering my second year of social work studies at Widener. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts, but I've been living in Los Angeles, California for over 10 years. I'm currently a case manager at an addiction treatment center, treating dual diagnosis clients at all levels of care, from detoxification through residential treatment and outpatient services. I've been working as a case manager in the field for the past 2 years and have over 6 years of experience working in the mental health field, mostly with substance abuse. That brings me to my first asset, which is my professional experience. I've already have 2 years under my belt of case management experience, as well as clinical experience working with clients for several years. I've run hundreds of groups, I've done dozens of assessments, and with many different types of clients from many walks of life. Also, my personal experience is that I'm a sober alcoholic and drug addict with almost 8 years of sobriety. When I was younger, I was on the other side of social work as a receiver of services at many levels and subjected to life in different institutions at various levels of quality of care. I feel that my experiences on both sides of the field give me a profound insight into the client experience and allow me to have a depth of understanding that may exceed someone who hasn't personally experienced receiving social work services for personal problems. My third asset is a voracious appetite for learning more about the clinical services and methods and ways of connecting and helping people that are coming to us to seek help. I have the desire to become a very effective clinician, and I really look forward to learning more with all of you. See you on the discussion forums.